Look at laying some stuff out manually so we can better control the layout of all our pictures. Where are we going to go? Let's choose something else. Not Taylor. Where are we going to go here? Let's see. Get on desktop. Let's go through this again. Let's do more magazine stuff because it's what are we going to look at? How about this one? There we go. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So I'm going to open all these. See what we got. Let's look at the image size. 3600 and change by 4700 and change pixels. That's pretty big. I really want, because since I'm going to tile these small, okay, I want this to both be more usable for web, and I'm also going to shrink it down when I make a layout on a single page. So I want it to be the longest edge is 2048. That's what I want. And width is smaller than height, so height is the longest edge, so I'll turn that to 2048. Hit OK. And now I need to do that to all 8 of these files. Won't take too long, but there is a way to automate this. Okay, so let me close out of all of these. Go back to Scratch. I'm not going to save that. Let me show you how to automate these. If I open that same folder, where is it? Magazines, and what's this guy? Okay, same thing. So I'm going to make a new folder, and let me call this 2048 pixels. All right. I could grab these and just throw it into here, or I can copy them. So I'm going to select them all. I'm going to right click. I'm going to copy them. Where's the copy? There's copy. I'm on a Mac. Open this up, right click, and paste. Now I have a copy instead of actually moving them. So remember, 2048 pixels. That's what I'm looking for. Back to Photoshop, I go to File, not Automate, but Scripts. Scripts, Image Processor. Same thing, I gotta select the folder. There's the desktop, 2021 desktop. Magazine's over here. Okay, so 2028. I should have labeled it something else, but I don't have to click into it. I just need to highlight it. Just need to highlight it and open it. So now the image processor is pointing to the correct folder. I can select location to process images. So save in same location. What that's going to do is it's going to create another folder, a subfolder within there. Quality JPEG 8 is pretty good. Convert profile to sRGB. They already are in that profile, but in case something's missing, I'm doing that. And the reason why that is a choice is because that is the simplest color range that most machines understand. Resize to fit, width 2048 by height 2048. Now that doesn't mean it's going to make it into a square. It just means that this is the maximum size for any of the sides, and it's going to use the longest edge and resize that longest edge to 2048. By making it both width and height, it just means whichever is the longest edge. So we let Photoshop do the thinking for us. You can have the ICC profile. I uncheck it sometimes. Copyright info, if you want to put copyright info in there, fine. So when I run this, Photoshop is grabbing the photos out of that folder and resizing it to 2048 on the long edge for us. So when I go back, there it is. This is where we chose from, so I click in, and now look, it's made a new folder, and these are 2048. I should really name this the real 2048. And then when I pulled from, just copy. There we go. Okay. So that's how we automatically resize. Again, to review, put everything in its own folder so it's nice and organized. Go to File, Scripts, Image Processor, find the folder. We have the folder. Select the quality, select the size, any action you want to run, your copyright, hit run. Okay, that's right. I changed the name. Scripts, Image Processor. I forgot. I need to hit copy because we changed the name. Open. There we go. Now I can run it. That's going to resize the images and put them in a new folder.